Right, you alright, man? You good?
Hi.
Say hello to everybody.
Hi there, everybody.
Yeah. Right, guys and girls, welcome back to another quick video of mine. So we're using the widescreen, I think, on here. I've got widescreen at 50 frames per second. Just waiting for a taxi to go to Bristol Zoo. I've just noticed a tractor on the main pavement, but I think he's just cutting the hedge brushes and all that kind of stuff just to get all done quickly and all that. But I don't think they're allowed to actually to be on the pavement, at least, anyway, to that extent and all that, guys and girls. But also, we just saw a nice young man just a minute ago, just basically asking if we were all right, because I was looking at the actual tractor. I was wondering what the hell was going on, why it was on there. But yeah, the bloke said he's not supposed to be on there. So, and he wanted to know if we wanted help crossing the road and all that. But it's all good though. No, I don't know. There's some people over there, that's all. But anyway, guys and girls, I'll be back in a bit for another quick video. But if you enjoy these episodes, I'm going to be putting them into one video log of my day out at Bristol and Bristol Zoo and all that kind of stuff. So definitely watch it all to the end, guys and girls. But anyway, stay safe all and see you soon. It is actually, what day is it today? It's the Tuesday, is it 27th? Yeah, 27th of August 2019 at the time of this video. But anyway, stay safe all, I'll see you in a bit. Absolutely lovely little creatures. So that's out of focus. That's in focus, and we've got a couple. Look how many there is, quite a load there, guys and girls. Look at his beautiful wings. Let's see if I can focus him in a little bit. Actually, I might need to focus.
Come on, Flamingos!
Can I get that nice? Well, I've got those slightly to the front, nice and sharp. Alright guys and girls, welcome back. So we're at Bristol Zoo now. Bristol Zoo. Oh, there we go. There's the little. We're looking at the lion cage at the moment. Apparently, the two lions, someone said they're actually new, got a female and a male or something. But one of the ones that was here previously, apparently, this woman said the last one had sepsis or something and died. So, and he got sent to Iran or something, Iraq or something. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, nice and sweet, big giant cats. And that's their like sort of natural habitat in here. Oh, look at the one at the back, just up here. Washing themselves and all that. That's pretty cool, I guess, guys and girls. Probably do about 2 minutes of this anyway. Probably come back in a minute, but this looks quite cool. So back in a minute, guys and girls. Stay safe. I'll see you in a bit. Oh god, guys and girls, got some stingrays there. I did tell you to put the brake on. Hang on.
Are they?
I put the other brake on the underside. Yeah, put the brake on. There we go. So hopefully, and I'll put that one on so that way you don't fall over or fall out your bloody wheelchair. Look at this, guys and girls. Very nice. Oh my god, that's shit. No, see. Am I seeing this? Some big fish down in there. Looks like they're at the bottom or something. It says Grand Gourami. Southeast Asia, giants of Southeast Asia. Oh, that's some big fish. Yeah, do you want to see some big fish? Right, take off both your brakes a minute. That's it. Right, we're going to pause it a minute. Brake it. My god, look at the size on those. Massive, right? Oh wow, look, you see the size on these? Got swimming turtles in there as well. Oh look at that, looks like, is that a catfish? It might be a catfish. Clown louch, so they've got the orange ones there. Different fish sizes. Oh, look at the size on that one. Oh, there's a turtle down here. Wow, that's awesome. There guys, it goes back in a minute. Hang on. Ooh, look at his face. Oh, look, he's getting there. Oh, some nice little, looks like tropical fish. These tropicals. Mangroves, marvellous mangroves, and take aim artificial fire jets of water from their mouths to knock off insects from overhanging branches. Nice. Oh, look at that one there. Nice little yellow fish and all that there. And they've got some over here as well. What's these ones? Archer fish, African monos, diamond fish, scats. Ooh, what's these ones over here?